What's going on? Today we're going to be solving 2894 divisible and non-divisible sum difference. Um, this one's pretty easy. It's going to give you two positive integers, n and m, and you're basically going to have to define num1 and num2 yourself. So num1 is defined as the sum of all integers in the range of 1 to n inclusive that are not divisible by m. And num2 will be the same thing, but just the ones that are divisible by m. When it says inclusive here, you're basically going to do a 4in range, right? That's pretty self-explanatory because it's literally giving it to you. But you're going to have to add 1 to be inclusive. Because if you don't add this 1, it's just going to do 1 below the actual n. So now that we know that, we can start constructing our code. We're just going to initialize our num1, do the 4in range, and then this is the part that gets tricky. How do I know that a number is divisible? So the simple way to do it is just using the modulo operator. So you're going to basically determine if modulo of m is equal to 0, then it is divisible because there is no remainder, right? For example, here, 1 divided by 2 is 2, right? That's simple. But it gets complicated when you do 2 divided by 3, right? There's like a 1 remainder, obviously, because 2 doesn't fit 2 times into 3. It only fits 1, right? So that's the basis of this whole problem. You know, this is basically what you need to know. So here, num1 are the ones that are not divisible by m, so the ones that are not equal to 0, and we add them. And then num2 are the ones that are divisible, so equal to 0, and then we add them. And since it wants to return the integer num1 minus num2, well, here it is, num1 minus num2. So thank you.